And more news coming in. This has got to do with the tariff wars that we are seeing, and ahead of US verdict on tariffs, Ministry of External Affairs has on US bill threatening 500% tariffs on India, says, and I'm going to quote, "We are aware about the proposed bill in US. We are closely following the developments around the bill. We have made it clear that our energy decisions are based on the considerations of market dynamics and ensure the energy security of 1.4 billion Indians." That's the government of India responding to threats by American President Donald Trump and the administration in America. No arm twisting happening here. Our people first. Geeta, that's the message really from the Indian administration, from the Ministry of External Affairs.
Well, absolutely. This is a very important and a critical bill for India. Indian exporters are looking at what's going to happen very keenly. This is the Lindsey Graham bill, wherein he said anybody who is importing Russian oil should be imposed with a 500% tariff. That aside, today is a very crucial day, Sneha, because the Supreme Court in America is going to decide on the tariffs itself, where the legality of the imposition of tariffs by President Trump. So it is a day that will test whether if President Trump comes out victorious or whether his authority and his decisions are going to be questioned by none other than the Supreme Court of the United States of America. And in that backdrop, India has reacted saying that whatever America is doing, the Indian government is going to keep its own interests in mind and ahead of any decision or the pressure that New Delhi is feeling from Washington DC. So India first, Indian interests first is the message from the Ministry of External Affairs.
That's right, but the arm twisting continues, isn't it, in the context of the trade deal as well, with America making it amply clear that it's India which is not willing to cooperate. Tell us a little about what the government is now thinking about the road ahead, even as the threats really loom large, Geeta.
Well, it is going to be a very difficult situation, undoubtedly so, Sneha. The 50% tariff itself has hurt India a lot all through the Christmas New Year season. The first quarter, if the 50% tariff continues, is going to look rather bad for India and Indian exporters who are waiting with bated breath on what is going to happen today at the Supreme Court. Having said that, 500% tariff will also hurt India very immensely, and that's the reason why you heard the External Affairs Minister yesterday when he was speaking with other European leaders talking about the importance of Europe. Over here, the message is not just the fact that India is going to look at her own interests first, Neha, also the fact that there's diversification that India is looking at, diversifying interests, diversifying and looking at different markets, not just for export but also to import, and also engaging China a lot more. These things are really going to maybe help India, but in the long run, there has to be some sort of a deal and a conversation and engagement with the United States of America. How it happens, how much time it takes is something we'll have to wait and see.
Geeta, getting in those details, this is a statement from the Ministry of External Affairs, India's interests first.